Good morning. We start our day today in Wałbrzych. I experienced it's a busy city. We will walk a little bit through the center because yesterday we went to Czartowska Castle. And this morning we still have some hours here and then I will take the train to Świdnica. So let's go. What the heck? That's interesting. Okay, this looks quite nice. Especially on this sunny day. Another fountain. Such a good one. So I'm not really feeling the city. It's loud, it's busy, it's a little bit too industrial for me, and a little bit too raw, like, yeah. But there is an interesting place where I'm walking now. It's uphill, but I will show you. See, it's this. I showed you before in my Warsaw video and in my Nowa Huta Kraków video. Because look, it's the water with salt and minerals. So when you breathe in, it's super healthy. And it's peaceful. Look what I found. That's nice. Now this looks better. So one thing I do like about Wałbrzych, still don't know how to exactly pronounce it, is that it's surrounded by all those big hills. I like that. So, I didn't feel that well in Wałbrzych. I'm a feeling person, so I feel the energy around me, and I think in this place are a lot of people that are not enjoying life, and it's like a lot of, I don't know. Also, when I looked around me, like people were not really enjoying life, but like, I don't know. It felt off to me, so I felt like a little bit negative myself as well because I soaked it in too much. But then I got a text from Mateusz that he wanted to show me some last places that he really wanted to show me, so he rescued me rescued me from Wałbrzych, and that this is where we went. It was awesome. We are in Bolków. He wanted to take me there. There he is again. Mateusz, star of my Lower Silesia series almost. looks awesome. Oh. The view.
It's really good.
Ooh, sun. Oh, that's also always awesome, like a window like this.
Yeah, because these were for the defense reasons, right?
Yeah.
Just to be like that. Drive all the way.
Oh, great. Yeah, it's awesome. What a place. We got the prisoner here. Look at him. Huh. Hello, sir. Oh, I didn't expect this. I thought we were. Oh, we're not. Oh, we're not up yet. We're up. We're up. Oh, this is also nice. Oh, look at this. We have 360. I will take you. Take you all around. Poland. And then a hazy sunset. Wow. Look at the hills. Oh my. I think most people will now forgive me for not going into the Castle. I just don't like fancy buildings from the inside, like not really. Like I don't have to see like a fancy castle from the inside, but this is awesome, really. Oh yeah, someone is filming us, hello. Okay, we have another castle to see. Yes, I got it. Look, it's a guest house. It's a Dutch guest house in Poland. Ah, interesting.
How typical, right?
Yeah.
A to może pan latał przed chwilą dronem nad... Być może nas pan zobaczy na wideo.
What is this castle called again?
Świny.
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 Świny. Ah, there it's on the board.
Historia rodu świnków. Świny.
expensive. Yeah, it's almost sunset time. Almost. Chasing the sunset because there's a volcanic rock over there, because as some of you already told me, and Mateusz now again, there are some volcanic rocks.
Yeah, it used to be a volcano.
Oh, so we're chasing the sun, and we have to walk fast. That was the volcano.
Yeah.
Over there. Where are we going? Whoa. Wow. We officially made it before the sun went down. Woo! Oh my gosh. Last steps to the top. You get all the way up. Oh, the moon! The moon is also here. Okay, Ninka, focus.
Sun's down. Sun's out.
Whoa. Okay, I made it.
Yeah, there's a little bit of flat space.
Yeah, that's good. The throne. So this volcano mountain is higher than the highest mountain in the Netherlands because it's 400 something.
68.
468 meters, and the highest mountain in the Netherlands is 322. This is my hostel in Świdnica. Nice one, right? Yeah. So I immediately felt the difference when we were walking through the other places. Like, people were really enjoying life. There was like a very different kind of vibe to the places where we went to. So I instantly felt better. And then the places that Mateusz showed me were like the ending with the volcano and then the sunset, chasing the sunset. It was so good. So he was a brilliant guide, like really for all those days. And yeah, my day got really good after 3:30. So it's now 10 in the evening. I'm editing the video still for you. I think it will be finished at midnight. Then I will relax for a bit and sleep and wake up at 6 because I will want to film Świdnica for the whole morning before I go to Kłodzko. So thank you all for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.